particularly called a nucleotide that makes that up. Chemical reactions. So the chemical reactions in your body, we know it's metabolism. Some reactions need energy to actually happen. Some reactions produce energy, and your body is constantly undergoing them. These chemical bonds that hold atoms together can be broken or they can be remade during chemical reactions. When they're broken, energy is released. When they're put back together, energy is needed. And these reactions happen at varying speeds. And here's just a schematic view of different reactions. So if you have substance A, substance B, put them together, you can make AB. In the reverse of that, if they're broken apart, like a pizza is broken down into simple glucose molecules. Here is H plus O plus H. That produces the compound water. All right, so 2.4 is about energy, and actually the last slide was probably about that too. And energy determines if a chemical reaction can actually take place. Energy is needed when chemical bonds form, when you put something together. Energy is released when chemical bonds break. Releases energy. To start chemical reactions, they need some input. They can't really start on their own. They need a little bit of gas in there to start the reaction. And that gas that's needed is called activation energy. The energy needed to start a chemical reaction. It's called the activation energy. You have these cool things in your body. These are a type of protein called an enzyme, and they actually speed up the chemical reactions by lowering the amount of activation energy needed. So enzymes can do what's called catalyze chemical reactions. A catalyst is something that just speeds up the reaction time, makes it go quicker, and they do that by lowering the activation energy. Energy, that's how you spell it. Did I spell catalyze right? Yeah. So enzymes can act as a catalyst in your body. Whoa, spelled that all sorts of wrong. Activation energy, there we go. Enzymes are specific and they can be reused in the body. They can be used over and over and over. And some things that can affect enzymes and how they work: the pH in body fluids, the temperature of the fluid can impact the reaction, and the solute concentration. All three of those things can impact how well or not so well enzymes work in the body.